sushi, ramen, tempura, mochi, sashimi, taiyaki, onigiri, dorayaki, miso soup, dango, katsu curry, gyudon, soba, Takoyaki, natto. Can you guess? What Japanese food has octopus in it? Takoyaki is a snack with octopus. Which Japanese food is chewy and often wraps ice cream? Mochi is bouncy and soft, perfect with ice cream. Which Japanese food do you like the most?